Hi, I'm Celina and today I'm going to show you how to make healthy banana oat pancakes that your baby and your whole family are going to love. On my channel Healthy Bub Grub, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy what you see today, and make sure you subscribe because it really helps support my channel. If you are concerned about allergies, please seek the advice of an appropriate health professional. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make this recipe. It's super easy, anyone can do it. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need 2 bananas, a half a cup of rolled oats, 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of cinnamon. The utensils you'll need are a bowl, spatula, stick blender, measuring cup and pan. So now we'll start by adding the oats, the baking powder and the cinnamon into the bowl. Then we're going to crack in our eggs, add the banana and get your stick blender out and start blending all of the ingredients together until it's a nice smooth consistency. Once the mixture is at a nice smooth consistency, let it sit for about 10 minutes until you see bubbles form. So you want to put your stove on low heat, make sure you don't have it up too high or your pancakes will burn, and we're going to just warm the pan now and give it a little spray with some olive oil. So I just use the half cup as a measurer to scoop out the mixture just to make it easier to pour into the pan. You can make them as big or as little as you like. Just note though that the bigger you do make them, the longer they will take to cook. So after a few minutes you should see bubbles start to form. That means that they're probably ready to flip over, so just check, and then if they're brown on the bottom, turn them over and give them a couple more minutes on the other side. Once the pancakes are nice and brown on both sides, they're ready to eat. So I've just broken the pancakes up into bite-sized pieces and added some strawberries for my little one. It just makes it easy for her to be able to pick up and put in her mouth. You could also add any other kind of fruit that you would like to, or some natural yogurt, which I sometimes do as well. And as you can see from how my little girl is enjoying these pancakes, they are a winner. So these pancakes will keep in an airtight container for up to 2 days, otherwise you can store them in the freezer for up to 2 months. I separate them with a layer of cling film just so that they don't stick together and they're easy to get out. You can then defrost them in the fridge or the microwave, whatever you're comfortable with. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it useful. Let me know in the comments if your baby or your whole family enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.